Hey everyone, today I'm unboxing the iCandy Peach 2016. Came out earlier this year. So basically I'm just going to open it and try to assemble it and see what it looks like for everyone to see. Okay, well let's open this bad boy up. So it comes in a few new different colors. The one that we ordered is the color blue. I think it's known as Royal. We've got the, I forgot what it's called, but they're the ones just put in onto the side of the pan. Okay, this appears to be a rain cover. When it's raining, if you want to protect the baby, of course, then you put it on. Got this ones. I guess we'll find out more later what these ones are for. You've got the manual with the warranty. Nothing here, just a plastic silica gel which I like to put on my shoes. Nothing else here. This pan can be converted from a single to a double. What I've got now is just for a single child. Giant wheel. So you've got the two small wheels already connected, and you've got the big ones that you have to install yourself. Got the leather handle here. And there you go, this is the royal color, and this is where you put the actual baby. So I guess now we know what these ones are for. These ones are for the wheels. Okay, so I had to have a look at the manual because I wasn't sure how to install the wheels. But it wasn't that hard. All you have to do is press this button here. And by pressing that, it lets us insert it inside. This in. That's in. That's one wheel in already. So that's easy. So if you want to take the wheels out, it's just as easy as pressing this. Just press it, insert it. There you go. And then this one has a button here. So if you want to adjust the left, depending on how high or short you are. Okay, so that's in. We'll take the handle off and this cover off later. Now let's put the actual seat in. Let's take this off. Just insert it to go. So it's in already. If you want to adjust it, you just got a button here. On the other side, you just press those. Same with this one here. This is for the leg support. You can turn this into a bassinet if you want to have it. Have the leg stretched, then you can just press this one, and like what I said, you can always just press those there. if you have a look in here, this is the single button strap for the belt. So you just press that. So you've got the padded seat belts here. And all you need to do is clip. Okay. And this is for the handle. So this one, you can't see it at the moment because it's covered with the plastic, but it's the same color and material as this. That's it. Up, push. You've got the brake here. The brake. You've got the storage here, and you've got a strap here which you will use when you're carrying the pram with you. Now let's try to disassemble this. So like what I said earlier, you can convert this into a double pram if you want to. I'm not too sure on how to do that yet. I've only got the single here, but I'm guessing this is what those ones are for. So it's basically just, I think, connect that here. Make sure it's got the right way. There you go. And then you can put another one here, I think. Feel free to correct me if I'm wrong, because I'm not too sure. So it goes that way, and have it facing the other way too. That's it. If you want the baby facing you, center of the world, and same features. You just press this one. If you wanted just a baby and its pram. Okay, now it's time to disassemble, put it in the car. So if you want to get rid of, take it out from here, you can press from here. The whole thing comes off. Otherwise you can disconnect it from here as well. Alright, so I had to look at the manual how to fold this because I wasn't really getting it at first. But it wasn't that difficult. It does show you here, but in case you do have a problem as well. So all you need to do is push that button here, push down, and then that would just push down itself. So I'm holding it up like this, pressing on the button, push down, push down. There you go, put it in the car. So this is your shoulder strap here. And you can actually lock it. So you can lock it here. Always a good idea. So we're going to lock it there. Okay, there's only one lock from the looks of it. So it prevents it from opening. And that's it. So you put it in the car. Alright, and then, well, that's it. You want to open again when you're going to use it. Undo the lock. And open. This up. So, brakes on. So, just taking the adapters off. You've got the seat. Everything just clicks. Well, that's it. Hope you like this video of unboxing the iCandy Peach 2016 Royal color. Thank you.